Hi everybody, and welcome back to Axion channel. So we're going to do the close auction, just a bit easier doing live streams. So here we have just finished day 106, so we're going to get into it just quickly. It's going to be a short one, so let's go for gold. Alright, so welcome everyone, and let's have a check it out what's happened for the end of auction day number 6. And we have, you can see 27th of February, auction day 106, 315.4 million Axion, 25.39 ETH, so about 60% sold out there, 7.6 million Axion per ETH. Obviously you would have got a 10% bonus if you'd use the link in the video description, which you can see there. So now we've just started a day, auction day 107, got 303.6 million Axion in the pool, $58,000. And obviously it's just open, so you can see the countdown climbing down here, 10 minutes in, and there we are. So once again, if you want to enter that one, we've got the Uniswap price at just under 7 million per ETH, auction price at 7.6 million ETH, so that looks excellent per ETH, so that's awesome. Plus you get a 10% bonus if you use the link below. So let's quickly check out the mining, have a look at the APY. So welcome to the channel, and I hope you're all doing well. And so APY is 95.91. That looks pretty similar to yesterday. 1,260,000 LP tokens. That's liquidity provider tokens. So it's people that provided liquidity of Axion and Ethereum on Uniswap. So it's just under 1.4 million US dollars there. So it's looking good. 177 days left, and we've got 4.7 billion still left in rewards. So very nice. That started at 5 billion, so going strong. Let's quickly check out the stacking. Where staking as share rate has finally gone to 1.1. It's 1.102. So remember that started at 1.09. But we now went to dynamic, so pretty neat. Obviously the venture capital auction, make sure you got your venture capital auction address registered so that you can get the dividends for that when they come out. And also the big paydays are there, so the longer you stake the better anyway. So pretty cool. Let's quickly jump to the price, check that out, and we're going to have a look at there. So price is now at 000193. Obviously we've got a bit of volatility in the market as it's done a major correction for Ethereum and Bitcoin. Let's quickly check out the 1 day chart, and you can see that this is bouncing off pretty much that 0002 mark. We're just slightly below that at the moment, but you can see that VCA testing is on, so that's venture capital auction testing is on. Probably another week or two or something like that. Could see that going for launch or so forth, so I'm expecting about mid-March, but we'll see. So looking pretty good. And let's have a quick check out the numbers. Liquidity 3.9 million US dollars. Daily volume, that's the lowest one I've seen for a while. $230,000 daily volume. Pooled ETH 1447. Pooled Axion has dropped slightly to 10 billion. So obviously a bit of liquidity removed to make that happen. Let's quickly jump to the Axion Today tab, and we can see that we have 264.2 billion total supply. We have 64.2 billion in liquid, and we're just about at that 200 billion mark, 199.983 billion stake, which is outstanding, folks. So that's really good. Let's quickly check out the crypto rank. 569, total stakes 20,915, average stake size 9.57 million, average stake length 1,541 days. So those are pretty similar numbers. Market cap 18.35 million, so it's oddness off the side, obviously representing that price being at 000193. And the staked is slightly higher, which is good. This is a great number. 75.68 is the stake rate. That's looking good. So let's just jump to the next tab on analytics. So this is the Axion Today dashboard. So if you haven't got it, just check it in the description. You can see that. We're going to go down to my favorite statistic, wallets. So we're at 10 new wallets for the day, and for the week we're at 99. Now, for the week I want to see in the future, I want to see about 2,000 once marketing starts and the VCA gets going. I want to see about 2,000 new accounts or ramp up to that. So that's what I'm looking forward to. Over 3 months I'm looking forward to attracting another 24,000 users onto the Axion. So look forward to that, folks. I think marketing is going to be huge. It's going to be everywhere, and I'm very optimistic and excited about that. Let's jump to the overview. We're going to check out the number of shares, 388.4 billion shares. Very cool. And we're going to look at the max shares club, 59 billion shares. We finally made that 59, almost at 60 billion. Remember, our target is 80 billion, so that's our next target. And we've got that's 3,753 stakes, so pretty neat indeed. Let's quickly check out the daily Axion payout per million shares, or M shares. You can obviously look at the date there, and we can see that day 105 we had 506 AXN, and today's one will obviously update, day 106 will update probably in about 20-30 minutes, so that's where that is. Quickly jumping to the activity, we can check out the fact that we've still got 5 for 5 stakes coming in. You can see them there. That's only 14-17 minutes ago, so they're still flowing in there. Lower gas fees have pretty much been helpful, but as we can see on the GUI at the moment, we've got low GUI 86, medium GUI 101, and fast GUI 123. So let's quickly check that out. The gas on the ETH chart. SKB, hey, welcome SKB. Axion price holding well considering. Great opportunity to accumulate. I believe that SKB, I think that's really true. And I have been hinting at that in previous videos. Obviously not financial advice, but it's the quiet before the storm. Axion has venture capital coming out with wrapped Bitcoin dividends. 85% of the Ethereum that goes in the auction will be going back to stakers. Obviously those who stake longer will get more shares and therefore get more of those wrapped Bitcoin. Pretty exciting. And I think it's going to be a big game changer. Obviously marketing is going to start with that as well. Not sure of many cryptos, if any, that are doing marketing of $50,000 or so a month, so watch out for that one. It's going to be Axion's name's going to be plastered everywhere that I can tell, and also targeting traditional markets as well, and so watch that space. Obviously credit card's going to help with onboarding, fiat purchases and that sort of thing, so lots coming up. So just quite perform. They've obviously hired a marketing team, also a advertising team has been contracted in. So some big stuff coming up very shortly. So definitely quiet before the storm, and I absolutely agree with you, SKB. Time to pick up some Axion if you're not. We've got GUI is on the lower side at the moment too. We did get down to 69 GUI here, and so we are in a better space for GUI. Hopefully it even retraces a bit further over the night. Maybe it might, even if we're lucky, get down to 40, 60 GUI. That'd be really great for stakes, unstaking, buying and selling, etc. So pretty neat. So that's pretty much the update for that. We'll check out Bitcoin and Ethereum. Let's go on to CoinGecko, check that out. So Ethereum's going all the way down from $2,040 about, I think it was. So let's have a quick check at that out. We're going to go to the 7-day chart, and you can see that we were up at that 2,000 mark, coming all the way back down to 1336, and that's you can see the decreases there over 14 days, 37 days, and 24 hours, 9.4%, 7 days, 30%. Let's quickly check out Bitcoin. Bitcoin was not too bad actually, 44,320. 44,700, so Bitcoin's not too bad, and let's check that out. We're going to do max. We can see that it had a huge parabolic rise here, a big strong pullback. This is the second pullback, so it'll be interesting to see where it goes. Is it going to go to that next target, 70, 80,000? Watch the space on that. I think it's going to be some interesting times ahead, and obviously we pulled back from that 58,341. Now we're down to 44,327. So we're down 23.6% from the high. So there we see the high there, so down 23.6%. So pretty cool. I hope you enjoyed this one. This was just a closing auction. I will catch you tomorrow for the end of the auction day tomorrow. Feel free to subscribe, like and share, hit the bell for further notifications, and of course if you want to get that 10% in the auction, for the auction, then hit the link below. It'll bring you to this page. Hook up your MetaMask wallet, put your Ethereum in, and click bid, and then at the end of the 24-hour period you can withdraw that. You'll get a 10% bonus on the auction price per ETH that you put in. Look forward to it, loving it. It's huge couple of weeks coming up for Axion, and it is a sleeping giant for sure. I hope you enjoyed that one, and I'll